I'm Anil Kumar, and here is an application question based on sine law. The question here is, in the triangle ABC, the side AB has length of 10 centimeters and the angle BAC equals to 25 degrees. For what range of values of the length of BC will two distinct triangles ABC be possible? So let's try to sketch the situation. Let's say this is our point A. We are given AB has length of 10 centimeters and the angle at A is 25. So let's say this is the angle at A, which is 25. And let's say this is the point B, which is 10 units away, 10 centimeters. So here we have a point C. Now, for what range of values of length B to C will two distinct triangles ABC be possible? Now, when can you have two distinct triangles? So this length we have to find so that we could have two triangles. You understand? So one possible value is that it could be same as AB itself, right? So we get one limit that it could be BC could be equal to AB, which is equal to 10 centimeters. Perfect. If you have BC greater than 10, if BC is greater than 10, then you cannot have two triangles, because in that case, let's say in that case, this will be kind of like this. Do you understand? If this length is greater than this, then it is not going to end up on the line AC. So we'll not have two triangles. So we get the upper limit. Of BC. Maximum it could be 10 centimeters. Now what could be the minimum length of BC? Now to form a triangle, I should be in a position to that is the shortest distance, correct? So let's say this point is C dash. So if it makes 90 degrees, then we get the shortest distance. So the minimum is BC dash, which is perpendicular to AC. So let's find this length. Let's call it height h of the triangle. Now using sine law, we can basically sine ratio, I should say. Using sine ratio, we can find this height. So sine of 25 is equal to height over hypotenuse. So if you look into triangle ABC dash, we are looking into the triangle ABC dash, where the angle BC dash A equals to 90 degrees. In that case, sine of 25 is equals to h over 10. So height h is equals to 10 times sine of 25. Correct? Let's calculate this value. 10 sine 25 equals to 4.226. So that is the height, and that is the minimum. If it is shorter than h, then we do not make a triangle. You see, it will not be able to make a triangle if BC is shorter than h, right? So the question here is, for what range of values of the length BC will two distinct triangles? So if I have equal to h, it cannot be two, right? So what we get here is that the length BC should be greater than h, which is, let's say, 4.2, and should be less than equal to 10. Because if it is 10, then you can make, well, that is also practically not a triangle, so we'll leave it. So BC has to be in between 4.2 and 10, right? So we are rounding our decimal place to let's say 4.23 to be better off. in centimeters. So I hope you get an idea. So the idea here is to find the shortest distance from B to C, which you can find with sine ratio, and the maximum could be making this as an isosceles triangle. So that gives you a quick result for such a situation, and it helps especially in multiple choice questions. I hope you find it useful and interesting. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that would be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.